Roof Goose Vent offers the most high-performance roof vent on the market. In today's video, we're going to highlight the install process of a 4-inch dryer vent in a retrofit application, where the roof contractor has already flashed the underlying support duct. Step 1. Open sleeve box. Step 2. Slide base bushing down to top of witch's hat and secure the alignment fingers with the included 4-inch hose clamp. Step 3. Slide included insulation down the support duct till it reaches the top of the base bushing. Step 4. Slide the sleeve with the pre-laced 6-inch hose clamp over the insulation and support duct until it engages completely with the base bushing. Step 5. Tighten the 6-inch hose clamp to base bushing. Step 6. Put stabilizing bushing on the top of the sleeve, ensuring that the keyways align with the locking channel at the top. Step 7. Open the neck box. Step 8. Slide rain counter flashing down the sleeve until it covers the hose clamp at the base. Step 9. Lock the gooseneck on top of the sleeve. Step 10. Twist the provided dryer cap on the end of the gooseneck and use the tabs on the exterior of the cap to help align the cap to the gooseneck. Step 11. Recycle the boxes. In this application, it took 3 minutes to install the termination from opening all the boxes to putting the cap on. If your underlying support duct has been pre-roughed prior to putting vent terminations on, you can expect to see similar results. Thanks for checking out the install of the RG4 insulator dryer model. Look forward to future videos here on our YouTube channel about our product installs and good venting design. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website, RoofGooseVent.com, where we answer many frequently asked questions, or contact us directly at sales@RoofGooseVent.com.